Is that Banksy? Kitty's out there. It's your mom. It's not Monet. You're not walking yourself out. There's Banksy. There's Kitty. Hi, Kitty. Alright, watch out. I'm going out. I gotta move your little heads back. Hi, Kitty. Watch your little head. I'm coming out. Hi, Kitty. That's the girl. That's Monet. Hello, Raven. Oh my goodness. Kitty says, back off from my food, little girl. Kitty says, you get away from my food, Minnie. I need my food. I'm hungry, girl. Yeah. These two here. Hold on. She's like, there ain't nothing on there, food lady. There ain't nothing. Oh, Kitty, she's hungry. You're all right, Monet. I know she's a vicious monster. Just let's leave her alone. Here. Here, Kitty. Try this one. That one. Oh, she would like to eat that one, food lady. I'll eat that one. I'm eating that gravy thing over there, though. I got two. Oh, I had two. There's one. One's in my pocket. Here, Kitty. This one is a kitten food, but it's for you. Yeah.